Hi, this is Neha Sharma and you're watching Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
प्यार रीजनेबल नहीं होता बस बेवजह होता है. Well, that's the catchy line that almost catches attention the moment you just watch the promos of Tum Mintu, and we have this the beautiful voice and even prettier face Neha Sharma who says those dialogues in the film. Neha, pleasure having you back on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you, Faridun. Thank you for
बहुत
having
time
me.
के बाद आपसे मुलाकात हो रही है and it's been like you have this amazingly, I think, magnetic feeling that almost everyone just wants to meet you again and again, and now you're having a romantic film coming your way with which
Yeah.
सिर्फ अपनी आवाज़ से आपने लोगों को जिस तरीके से एकदम बिल्कुल सेरेनेट किया in this particular dialogue and appearance, तो आपको माशाल्लाह. तो कुछ आप you want to say something about this particular dialogue? I think it's a
First of
beautiful
all,
dialogue.
thank you for all those lovely words that you've been showering on me
Comes
already.
naturally actually. It comes
That
naturally.
makes me very happy.
Right.
Also, I'm very excited about the way people have responded to the dialogue because it's a romantic film hai. So, everybody talks about romance, in a very casual way.
Ji,
This
ji.
film talks about the depths of romance in a very old school way. That's why, there's a lot of shairana andaz in the dialogues, which is thanks to Mr. Anubhav Sinha because he's also written the
Correct,
dialogues
right.
and the story and everything. So I think it's beautiful, different, and it is young and contemporary, but that old school romance mein jo charm hai that you can feel in the dialogues. So
Neha ji, I saw one of your interviews and you said that you have this like a old soul in you and you can be like an 80-year-old as well, and
I
you
feel
said
like
in
an
the last interview
80-year-old.
as well that it's like old school romance, and now as well you're saying
Yeah.
but romance is romance actually. It's
Yeah.
like, I think, ever youthful.
Yeah.
That way. And when such a vibrant personality that I've known you for almost like 5-6 years
Yes.
now, you're looking younger than what you did like say 5-6 years back. Your face is far more leaner as well.
Yeah.
So ये थोड़ा सा आप
I've
एक
lost
गुनाह
the
कर-
baby fat.
नहीं, you like आप गुनाह कर रही हैं, आप ये ओल्ड स्कूल ये सब आप बातें कर प्लीज. I take
Meera,
offense.
okay,
Because
fine.
when you're looking younger and prettier than ever before,
Huh.
and romance is romance. It's
Yeah,
evergreen.
it's evergreen,
actually.
absolutely.
It's evergreen actually.
Absolutely evergreen. But I was talking about, some people love the old Hindi gaane as compared to the newer songs, which are a lot more noisy and, fast paced, and there's no time for anything. तो वो जो ठहराव की बात मैं कर रही थी. Of course, younger, evergreen is great, but there's that little ठहराव जो पुरानी फिल्मों में होता था. That flavor is intact in Tum Mintu. Of course, it's a very young contemporary film, and of course, I'm very young, so there is a young vibe about
You're
the
getting
film.
younger and younger actually.
Yeah.
Seriously. Okay, and Jagger Man. So you have Jagger Man as well. So it's not merely that you have all those.
Yeah.
Uh,
No. There's a
syrupy
there's a lot
romantic
of
songs.
yeah.
It's
There's
like
a lot of
just
fun.
as contemporary
There's
as it gets.
Masta, which is like a song where
Nazdikiyan,
again the
Nazdikiyan
girl.
as well as, I think, it's more romantic.
Yeah.
But Masta is quite peppy.
Masta is again fun. She's drunk, so it's a lot of fun. Masta again, and Jäger Bomb again is about Jäger Bomb. Like about Jägermeister, the drink. So, we do have all the fun that is expected in a romantic film. Of course, there has to be drinking, right?
Yeah, that's what I saw one of your other interviews that's something that you're quite
What? Masta?
high on in terms of
Yeah.
getting drunk or something like that.
It's not easy to play drunk. I mean, if you ever try to behave drunk when you've not actually had alcohol, it's really difficult. So it was a lot of fun doing Masta for me because you have to pretend to be drunk throughout. So I was like, okay, I'm not going to think about anything. I don't know where the camera is. I'm just going to have fun. That's how we shot Masta.
That's how you shot Masta.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
And what about Jäger Man?
Jäger Bomb is a song which
Jäger
is a
Bomb,
party
yeah.
song.
Right.
So everyone was just there having fun. There was not much choreography and all because generally songs you've got this choreography going on. You have to do this, that, whatever. That was just like just have fun. It's a party. Just have a ball. That's the brief that we were given.
And I believe you had a lot of fun with shooting with
Dwayne?
Dwayne Bravo for
Yes.
the music video
Yes.
as well.
Yes.
Could you just tell us something more about?
See, Dwayne is someone who is as much fun in person. I don't know. When you look at him, do you think he's fun? I don't know. Like I don't watch too much cricket.
He's a fun character as far as
Yeah.
as a cricketer. He's
Yeah,
quite
so
amusing as far as
yeah,
what he does
he's
on the
a
screen.
lot of fun. When he came on set, he was like, yeah, what do we have to do? He's like in that party zone already because he knew it was a party song. And he got his A game on and he was like that. Like we finished the song in half a day, So it was like everyone just decided that let's have some fun and let's not take it too seriously.
Yeah.